Indian girls are diverse and come from various cultural backgrounds, each with its own unique characteristics and experiences. Here are some interesting facts about Indian girls. Cultural diversity. India is a land of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. Indian girls represent this rich cultural diversity, with each region having its distinct customs, clothing styles, and rituals. Education and achievements. Over the years, Indian girls have made significant strides in education and career fields. Many Indian girls excel academically and have achieved success in various professional domains, including science, technology, business, arts, and sports. Women in leadership. Indian women have held prominent positions in politics and leadership roles. Notable examples include Indira Gandhi, who served as the Prime Minister of India, and numerous women who have held important ministerial positions. Traditional attire. Indian girls often wear traditional clothing such as saris, salwar kameez, or lehengas, depending on the region and occasion. These outfits showcase the vibrant colors, intricate designs, and craftsmanship associated with Indian textiles. Empowerment and challenges. While progress has been made, Indian girls face unique challenges such as gender inequality, societal expectations, and limited access to resources in some areas. However, there are numerous initiatives and movements aimed at empowering Indian girls and women, promoting gender equality, and addressing these challenges.